Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to talk about the new upcoming Sony smartphone, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III. The Sony Xperia line still has a loyal group of fans who will be pleased to hear about the alleged specs for the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III 5G smartphone. Not only will this premium device sport an essential Snapdragon 888 SoC, but it'll boast of having the kind of display enthusiasts will drool over. Being a Sony device, a lot can be expected from the screen, and it seems they'll deliver on these expectations. A 6.5-inch diagonal, 4K resolution, AMOLED-type panel, HDR support, and 120Hz refresh rate. On top of a first-class chipset and probably stunning display, apparently 15% brighter now, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III should offer 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, although other configurations might be made available. As previously mentioned, 5G is supported, and the next Xperia 1 will also be IP68 water and dust resistant according to our leak source. The fingerprint sensor will be fitted into the side of the smartphone, but the camera equipment is still a mystery. However, once again, being Sony, you can bet that the lenses will be of a very high quality. Now, predictions from a separate source state that it will have up to 512GB of storage, a 6000 mAh battery, and 650 plus ppi display. There's no denying that the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III has the potential to be a terrific purchase, but the price tag is yet again supposedly over $1,000, which is in sharp contrast to the admittedly lower domestic prices of the Xiaomi Mi 11. At $1,199, the Xperia 1 Mark III will really have to perform, but at least the price tag hasn't rocketed since the Xperia 1 Mark II was launched at the same price point. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.